power. I got the power. I got unlimited power.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Town Cards. Today we are opening up a mega box of 2020 Panini Prizm Football. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever we get new videos, new product up. So this is 2020 Panini Prizm Football, 4 cards, 10 packs. Panini Prizm is obviously one of the mainstays of football, but a lot of people have been getting into this lately. In this box, you'll get 1 autograph and 2 mega box exclusive base or rookie neon green. What's really cool about this whole box is that you get 10 of the hottest NFL rookies per box. So you get 10 packs. So that means that in each pack, you should get a rookie. So that gives us a lot of good odds and chances to get someone who is an impact player on the league. So let's break into this right now. Obviously, we're looking for the big guys of Herbert, Joby, and Tua. But honestly, there was a bunch of good rookies this year, so I am just excited to see what rookies we get. Okay. Packs all over the place. Alright, so we should have 10 packs total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5. One of these packs looks kind of thick, so we're just going to put that guy to the back. Alright, let's see if we pull out any of my Raiders and if we get any really good rookies. Alright, so we have a Dan Marino, Melvin Gordon, Matt Ryan, and our rookie, Chase Claypool of the Steelers. Not bad. Looks like we have one of our neon green in here. So we'll start with the rookie of Darrington Evans, Kenny Stills, KJ Wright, and our green is a Lion, TJ Hawkinson. I believe the tight end. Tight end for the Lions. And we'll see how he does this year with Goff tossing him the ball. All right. Got Kid Reporter in the back. Williams, Duvernay Tardif, Kenyon Drake, and a rookie is Yetur Gross Matos of the Panthers. All right, we got the back. We got Miles and we have a silver in here. Miles Sanders, Marshawn Lattimore, and our rookie, Chenault Jr. And our silver, it's a Raven. Could it be Lamar? Marquise Brown, not bad. Hollywood Silver Prism. David Johnson, Darnell Savage, our green is in the back. Let's see who our rookie is. T. Higgins, not a bad rookie. And our last green of the box is a Titan. Who could it be? A.J. Brown, not bad. A.J. Brown. Nice. It's a great, great card to get of AJ. Got Darius Leonard. Looks like we have an insert in here. Got Darius Leonard, Allen Robinson, Deshaun Watson hype card, and our rookie, Eno Benjamin of the Cardinals. AJ Green, Derwin James, who's really good at Madden, Julio Jones, and our rookie for the pack, Patrick Queen of the Ravens. All right, we got champion Leonard Fournette, Matthew Stafford, Kenny Clark, and our rookie, Gabriel Davis of the Bills. All right. Emmitt Smith, Patrick Peterson, Fireworks Alvin Kamara, and our rookie, let's see, go from the bottom. It's a Patriot, Josh Uche. All right, our last pack. We really haven't received too many of the top rookies. So that's kind of disappointing so far. But this should be our autograph in here. All right, so there's our autograph. Joe Namath, Tom Brady, rookie of Jake Luton, and our autograph. Let's see how we do this. Let's make it a surprise for everybody. Our autograph is Noah Igbinogi. Okay, I don't know how to say your name, sir, but it's Noah from the Dolphins. Probably defense. Cornerback. It's a green auto. Not bad. Decent box. Nothing too crazy to write home about, but we do have the three greens, and then I guess our top rookie from here. Boy, this is a rough one. Would be Chase Claypool, and T. Higgins would be our rookie hits, and then we have our Marquise Brown silver. Decent box, again, nothing too crazy. But thanks again for tuning in, and we will see you guys later. Bye.
Yeah, I got the power. I got the power. I got unlimited power.